Welcome to ProgrammingDoor. In this video, we are going to talk about Oracle PLSQL workouts. So it's not the gym. It's a gym actually for developers who work on Oracle. So where to practice? So basically, when a beginner starts learning Oracle, he or she wanted to practice to get more questions, but they're not sure like which question to get, which question to go on for the beginner, then intermediate, for the advanced level. But there is a portal developed by Oracle itself, and the portal in one of my video I have shown where to practice Oracle PLSQL. That is also developed by Oracle. And now in this video, let's see the Oracle workout portal. Okay, Oracle workouts. Okay, so here the website name itself is Oracle Dev Gym, devgym.oracle.com. So this is, as I said, this is a website. This is a gym for Oracle developers. Okay, so here if you go, you could see many questions, quizzes, many a lot of things are there you can practice on. So for example, if I here you will see the limited number of questions, but you can search here and you can go on the next and next, so on. Okay, now here if I want to search for beginner, and let me see, beginner is learning a join statement, right? So join, let's search only join, quizzes on joins. So here anti join, partition, outer join, inner join, there are many other things. And if you see here, they have written beginner, intermediate, similarly for advanced. So beginners can go on these questions and they just have to click on it. And as I said in my earlier video, you have to create a account for this. You should be having an account for accessing this feature. So once you are logged in, you will see the question here, and here it is a MCQs type question. So here you will have the all the choices, and you can give the answer. Based on the answer, you will get the points. Okay. Now similarly, similar to quizzes, we have workouts. So if in workouts, if I want to search something, join itself. Okay, let's see here. So when I search, it will search for quiz, workout, classes, leaders, everything. I just have to filter here. So this is the quiz. I don't want quiz. I want workouts. So I don't see workout here. Okay, then what else we have here in this search criteria? Workout is not showing. So let's see. Click on all your workouts. Fine. Okay, I have not done any practice, so it is not showing for me. Click on find workouts. Just remove this. Okay, so here 124 workouts I could see, but it is including all the topics. So case in PL SQL, there are many other which will be useful for either that person is beginner or pro. The questions here will have for all of them, and based on the quizzes you can participate in some quizzes also, and based on the quizzes that you solve, you will get the ranking. So this is just an additional thing, but for practicing you can go through the quizzes and workouts. So so far for PL SQL, I found this very helpful. In fact, if I teach any junior resource, not resource, junior person, I suggest them to practice and go through on this Dev Gym and Oracle SQL Live, as I have shown in one of my videos. Okay, thanks a lot. This is the end for this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. and please do ask me questions if you have. And I have just started my channel, so I'm not so pro in recording the videos. You may find something that I repeat few things, fumble, something like that. Please excuse me for this. Thanks a lot.